So in this video right here, I'm just showing why I got the top end rebuilt. As y'all can see that the pistons are all burnt up, and that's coming from the rings being chewed and a loss of compression. And on top of that, it seemed like I may have let it overheat. But yeah, this is the whole process on what it's gonna take to get a top end rebuild. And I just wanted to add a couple custom touches to it.
That big old slow right here. Look at that. Look at this right here.
Man, it's all messed up.
Yeah.
Man. Lack of maintenance.
Ripping it too much. I think they might have overheated at some point, honestly. There's just too much scarring. Some places of the piston are just marked. That's from heat.
Man, cause I'm the type of person, man, I'm gonna run that. Down for count right now. And we coming back. We got all kinds of shit up in here, man. Man, y'all see what's going on. That boy got some shit. Race cars. And I see a turbo on there. Is that an old school D series motor?
It's a B series.
A B?
Yeah, B.
I know it ain't a K.
No.
You love them K's though, huh?
No.
You don't?
I like B series. I mean, I like K series also, but
Yeah.
this is what I prefer.
Man, this thing crazy. What you gonna tell them people on Snap, Lil Danny? Lil Danny said, man, this is his new bike. This your truck too, big Lil Danny? This your new truck? What you got there, man? Let me see, man. We over here hanging out with Unc.
Man, trying to get the
Shit, this is a normal day, man. Let me see that watch, man. Damn.
Citizen, this something lightweight. So they got this thing here on them. That bitch don't stay open.
Okay.
Then
Let's see. He said it's gonna start off with one kick, man. We're gonna see.
one kick, bro. Get down there, man. I ain't gonna stand up.
Yeah, little Danny, you don't want to have it. So as y'all can see, I hit it with a couple coats of paint. Nothing special. I just wanted it to look a lot better than what it did. Is it perfect? Not at all, but I think this right here, I think it's a lot better than what I had when I started off. And that's my whole thing, just getting some of those chips off. You know, none of the stuff that I'm doing is perfect, but it's all good. I masked everything up. I may just hit a couple coats on it real quick. Can see a couple little dry spots. And I might just sit it out in the sun for a little bit. Just sit it out in the sun and let it go ahead and dry. This is what I was using right here, that little engine enamel. I just see a couple little dry spots that I just want to hit real quick. Nothing special. I'm always overdoing it because I want everything to be as close to perfect as possible. So I'm just gonna hit a couple coats on this. Even though it had already looked good, I should have stopped while I was ahead, but I felt like it could be a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, I was hoping to mask this off, to be unmasking it, and then get ready to take it to the house, take it to the mechanic, but that ain't gonna happen. We're gonna put this one in the sun. I'm not gonna work on the Monte Carlo today. I'm finna watch this one, I'm finna watch the Mustang, so man, yeah, man, I'm finna throw y'all on time lapse, y'all just stay tuned. So that's the head that I painted it. It's still not perfect, but man, as y'all can see, it's doing a lot of shining. I still have the bottom side masked up. I'm hoping that a little bit of that overspray that went over these metal pieces, these circles, I'm hoping that it's okay. I could have masked that off a little bit better, but I was just trying to go ahead and get this thing done, and I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. And you know, my taping could have probably been a little bit better if I would have had more like a Tom or a X-Acto knife or something. I could have made it a lot more precise when I was masking it off. But yeah, man, I like the way that looks. And we finna go ahead, we finna head over here and drop it off so he can start trying to get everything back as we wait on the cylinders to come back. They're getting bored out because we're going with a larger piston. So yeah, man, this is a small update. And yeah, man, that's what it's looking like.